morning, students. I hope you're fit and fine at your home. Today, I am here to discuss about the basic concept of the computer. Firstly, I would like to share the full form of computer. The full form of computer is Common Operated Machine, particular used for technology, education and research. Students, computer is a electronic machines and how it works. Computer takes data or raw facts as an input and process on it and gives result in the form of output. So here I would like to give a simple example to understand the concept of input, processing and output. So here this is sharpener and this is pencil. So there are many simple examples are there to understand this. I am taking help of these two. So see, this is sharpener. When we sharpen the pencil, we put input. If we are inserting the pencil in the sharpener, so it is input. And I am sharpening the pencil like this. I am sharpening the pencil. This is processing. This is processing. Processing is going on, and what is the result? The output is sharpened pencil. The output is sharpened pencils. So the another example I would like to explain. If I want to make a mango shake, if I want to make a glass of mango shake, so what is the input? What will be the input? The input will be mangoes, ice, sugar, milk. So these are the main ingredients to make mango shake. These are the input. So what will be the processing? When I will put together in the jar and mix it with the mixer. When the mixer making the juice, so that is called processing. That is called processing. And when I get a glass of mango shake, so that is output. So computer works in these basic steps: input, processing and then output. So let us discuss in detail about these three concepts. So students, let's understand the definition of computer in detail. A computer is a device that accepts information data by input, manipulates it for some result based on a program or a sequence of instructions on how the data is to be processed. Generate result according to input which we have given and generate result as output and store in their storage as needed. So let's understand with an example. So here one example is taken. Example is 2 plus 5 and calculation is to be done by the computer. So what is the input? Input will be 2 and 5. These are input numbers. And then processing, computer will add 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5, this is processing, and what will be the output? 7. So here 7 is the output. And then storage, we can save our calculations on any output or result in the computer for future uses. So what are the definition of these four basic operations described in computer definitions? First is input, means entering data or raw facts into the computer. And second step is processing, or we can say performing operation on data which we have given as a input in the computer. Next is output. Output means presenting the result. And fourth step is to store the data or to store the output results. And what is the IPOS cycle? Actually this is used for input, processing, output and for storage. The sequence of the sequence of input, processing on data, generating output, and storage is also referring to IPOS cycle or information processing cycle. So now clear the terms. What is data and what is information? What is the difference in these two terms? So what is data? Mainly the input which we give to the computer is called data. So user inputs into a computer is data, likes raw material before data processing, as we have done in example like 2 and 5. These are raw facts, or we can say data. Data may be related as facts, events, transactions, images, songs, and documents. Data is also refers to unprocessed information. So now have a look on information. What is information? When the data is processed, hence 7. Here 7 is information. So 7 is processed data. When data is processed into meaningful format by a specific program, it becomes information. Information is also called as results or output. So in this video I tried to clear basic concept of the computer. I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you and subscribe this channel for more computer topics. Thank you.